Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today is chill mode, content day. What are we talking about? We're getting up to 2,900 subscribers. So I thought this was a good time because there's going to be a video that I'm coming out with. It's going to be about Airbnb. That's right. I know about it. I'm about to show y'all how we do it. And therefore, that's what this video is about. So please stay tuned. I'm going to talk about special deals. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. So today, 2,900 subscriber special. Airbnb, we're gonna talk about on a different date. It'll be coming up in a few days, how we make money. And like I told you before, it's been 2 weeks ago, receipts. Because there's other people on YouTube right now doing Airbnb stuff. They're giving you great information. They're telling you awesome information. But we're gonna show you the Stop Struggling Now way. What is that? You know the way. Less cost to enter, but still make a lot of money. Because if you can be profitable from day one, you're ahead of the game. So anyhow, let's get down to the specials. So here's what I got going on. You guys are gonna have to go to the website. You're gonna have to go to stopstrugglingnow.com/vacation rentals. Because on there, I'm gonna have a long list of special rentals for you as a 2,900 subscriber special. That's right, not the 3,000 subscriber special, the 2,900 subscriber special. So I'll give you, for instance, Sheraton Vistana in Orlando. If any of you need to go to Orlando, October 13th through the 20th, I have a 2-bedroom there at Sheraton Vistana. How much do you think I should give it for? Let's go with this. $1,299 for the week. October 13th, you check in. October 30th, you check out. The 2-bedroom. It has a full kitchen. It sleeps up to 6 people. How? Because there's a sofa sleeper in the living room. There's 2 bathrooms. There's a washer and dryer. I'll put a link down below to the resort. It's right over there, almost easy access to, well, let's just say Universal is up to 3-4 miles away. Disney's about 2 miles away. It's right about 1.5 miles, 2 miles away from the Orlando Convention Center. So if you have that week off, $12.99, I'm sure that's going to be the cheapest thing. But now there's going to be a whole list of vacation rental at stopstrugglingnow.com/vacation rental that's going to show you things in Lake Havasu. They're going to be special pricing. Okay, how about this? Everything under $1,000 for a week. So that's what we're going to be talking about here. Here we are at the YouTube Stop Struggling Now page. As you can see, 2.89K subscribers. That's 2,890 plus subscribers. We're getting ready to turn it over to the 2,900. That's why we're having a 2,900 special, the vacation rental special. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your continued support. I really appreciate it. So this vacation rental special, let's talk about it. Orlando, Sheraton Vistana Resort, 2-bedroom, October 13th through the 20th, $1,299. Earlier, I was trying to get it before it was taken. A full 5 days, October 13th through the 18th, was available at the resort. Nothing else. And it was a 1-bedroom. They were charging for 5 nights $1,095 plus tax. After the tax, it came to $1,230 roughly. The resort fees, I don't know if they add them on for rentals. No resort fees for this one. No additional taxes for this one. If you pay using PayPal, you're gonna, or if I send you an invoice, you're gonna pay 3%. That means you can use your credit card, debit card, or any other type of card and make payment. Or if you pay friend to friend, then you don't incur anything. It'll just be $1,299. And when you get there, no resort fee, no taxes, no nothing. But you will be checking in like a hotel. So you're going to take your credit card and put it on deposit, because if you jack up the place, you're going to be charged, not me. So $1,299, and this all has to go with the Airbnb upcoming video. But I just wanted to go. I was talking mess about things costing less than $1,000 for a week. You can see right here, 1 bedroom, $449 next week for a week at Lake Havasu. How about this in Phoenix, Arizona? All these are under. In fact, I don't even think there's anything on this list that's over $1,000. So everything is like less. And look at here, even in Daytona, coming up tomorrow. What is that? $350 for a week in a 1 bedroom? And yeah, these are. This is a Perennial Vacation Club at Daytona. It's on the beach. You're not across the street. You're not 2 blocks away. This resort is on the beach. So you're not going to have ocean view or anything like that, but you're on the beach. You walk out, the sand is 50 feet to 100 feet away. So just give you an idea. Here goes something in Orlando for Christmas, New Year's. Less than, it's $600 for a week in a 1 bedroom. These 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms, they have sofa sleepers. So a 1 bedroom sleeps 4. A 2 bedroom will normally sleep 6, like you can see right here. In Naples, Florida, even during Christmas, warm temperatures, $700 for a week for a 2 bedroom, and it says sleep 6. Studio penthouse, Treasure Island, Florida, coming up in November, even during Thanksgiving week, $600 for a week. Hawaii, all over the place. So just come to StopStrugglingNow.com. Vacation specials, vacation rental specials. So StopStrugglingNow.com/vacation rental specials. That's where you're coming to, and I've actually never even shown the website. So here goes the website. When you go to StopStrugglingNow.com, it's that simple. It shows one of the latest videos, primary trade lines, financial information. When I talk about things such as 60% of the population makes less than $40,000 a year, that's the U.S. population. You can come to this financial information, and it'll be underneath that video, and right above that video, in other words, it'll have the information of where you can click on the link and go find it on the internet and go look at it yourself. Not this bogus info. I'm not just talking out the side of my neck. So you can see what's going on. Business opportunities. I hope some of y'all, this $100 a day, $100 billion almost a day that the feds are printing money, so the banks are liquid. I'm hoping that you're getting precious metals, and I'm hoping that some of you have taken advantage of the cloud token wallet and put a little crypto online. I'm not saying you have to throw 20,000, 30,000, 10,000, 5,000 online in crypto, but a few hundred. We're talking about $550, $600, $700 if you can do that. $100, anything. But the optimal is $550 or more for what we're trying to do here with the Jarvis project at Cloud Token Wallet. And in fact, they have something in Kuala Lumpur tomorrow, October 5th, where if you're there, you get a debit card, an NFC card. You could be using your crypto that you're making money from this wallet and using it at ATMs, at stores, and online. The next evolution. No company that I know of is able to be doing this, and they have a merchant processing for Cloud Token. And merchants are accepting Cloud Token debit cards and everything like that at certain locations where you walk in and they're saying this costs 50 Cloud Tokens, and you're able to use your debit card to use just Cloud Tokens only. This is kind of sweet. And the merchant is able to pay it, and then they get back, the company gets back the Cloud Tokens as they pay the merchant, the store. So it's beautiful. What else do we see on here? Podcasts. That's right. So we got podcasts, and I figured I might as well add this. So I was lucky enough to find out about Buzzsprouts, and at Buzzsprouts they give you 90 days free of podcasts, and they give you up to 2 hours, so you can do anything. Like most of my videos here are 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So I've already uploaded 6 podcasts, which we're about to look here now, and I'm about to show you at Spotify, which people know about. And I'm searching, and look here, we are on Spotify. And thanks to Buzzsprouts, they help in the back office. They have helpful information, and I'll probably have a link down below to Buzzsprouts, and they help you get with Spotify. I'm on iTunes. We're also on iHeartRadio, Stitch. All that are podcasts for those people who run, walk, work out, or at offices, or driving, or anything where you have downtime and you actually want to listen to podcasts versus having to watch a video. And that's why I said, well, it's about time I actually load up under podcasts. I don't know if I'm going to have official podcasts where I'm going to have guests on and actually do that kind of thing. But all the YouTube videos, they are going to be loaded up. So now people don't have to come to YouTube, don't have to watch, because not everybody comes to YouTube to watch a video. People sometimes just need to listen. So I'm joining that party. So please join me. And that's all I pretty much have to say right now. But please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates.
And it's hard out here. So you know what's coming. With the feds having to give hundreds of billions of dollars seemingly every few days to the banks, it's just a matter of time when they can't print up enough in enough time. So hopefully you'll all be prepared. Hopefully you're getting started. Hopefully you're getting your LLCs. Hopefully you're getting your virtual offices or commercial office space, whatever it takes. Because when things hit the fan, you're going to want to have your own streams of income. Because you could be out of a job, you could be out of whatever service industry you're doing, or the industry is shrinking because they're not going to be able to employ enough people. So again, thank you for watching. And I'm out.